Hi, I'm Peter, your jewelry craft assistant. Today I am going to show you how I'm making this yellow gold diamond wishbone ring. I begin by alloying the gold. I am pouring the molten metal down into narrow square channel and begin rolling into desired dimensions. I anneal the metal every few feet through. The final bar has to be wide and high enough for stones to fit in, but not too much, so it isn't uncomfortable to wear. I am cutting into the middle of the bar few times to make it easier to bend. I am soldering the cut I previously made and then bend the arms to create smooth V-shape. With the help of the ring bender, I am bending the shank to desired size and then solder it. By hitting the ring on a mandrel, I am making it perfectly round. I am removing tool marks and excess solder by filing the ring and then smooth out all of the surfaces with sandpaper. I am pre-polishing the ring. I am marking out spots for each stone and then expand the size of the holes with a ball burr. I am creating prongs by separating each hole with a saw blade. I am removing excess material with a cylinder burr. I am inserting the stones into their positions. Once the stones are in, I am beginning setting with a beading tool. I am finished polishing the ring. The custom-made diamond wishbone ring is ready. Unlike mass-made designs, this one has enough material around the stones to secure them in place, without obstructing the look of the stones. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and in case of any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment sections. Bye.